XHG stock analysis tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy or sell? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So exchange stock, it is down quite a bit, like 57% down. It's not like an everyday thing. It's pretty interesting because at some point of the day, let me just see if check if this is today. Yeah, at some point of today, we went up as much as 200%, and then we were down 58. So what the hell is going on next for me? Honestly speaking, because we had this big of a change, more luck than not, I'll love to see this thing, keep breaking lower. Obviously, I'm waiting in the meantime, and this is by no way financial advice. Like, all I'm sticking to is a strategy that has previously delivered for me and thousands of times. So I don't have a course to sell you or anything, but if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, so you just save 4 years of your time by jumping all the problems that I've been through, and trying to learn stuff, just click the first link in the description. It is a free course, and I'll see you in the next one.